Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete multiple Snapchat friends at once. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat, and then you need to click on the conversation icon, and here you can see all your friends. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Then you need to scroll down and click on my friends, and here you can see all your friends. So let's suppose I want to remove this, so you simply need to click on your friend, or you simply need to hold that friend and click on chat settings, or you can click on manage friendship, and here you can see the option of remove friend. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, your friend will be removed. So this is the first method by which you can remove each friend manually one by one. And the second method is you simply need to click on your profile picture and click on the gear icon in the top right and go and into the bottom and click on I need help, and here you need to click on managing my account and click on delete or reactive my account, and click on how do I delete my Snapchat account, and click on account portal, and here you need to put your password and delete your Snapchat account and start again with the zero friend. So these are the two methods. If you want to remove some of your friends, you can use the method that is manually, in which you can remove one by one friend. But if you have many thousands of friends and if you want to remove all, you simply need to delete your Snapchat account and create another. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.